Hello students, once again I am with you students. So student, today we are going to discuss the class 8 lesson 2nd, and the name of your lesson is the understanding secularism, and student, it is the second part of this lesson. So student, today we are going to understand what is the Indian secularism, what is secular state, what is concept of secularism. On this topic today we will discuss. So student, first, what is Indian secularism? That means system of India. How we can say the system has been available as the secularism. This already you know, after independence, when constitution has been applied to your country, there has been given the right to all peoples to choose or follow any type of religions in country. This is the system of Indian secularism. Any person can choice, any person can follow, any person can select or change also to their religions in other religions. This system you can say as a secularism of Indians, secularism of India. Any person will not give any type of force. Government never can support any particular religions. Government never can follow any particular religions in most officials and government department. These systems you can say as a system of the Indian secularism. Your second point is, students, what is secular state? How can you say any state is secular state? State, that means in you can say as a any country or any place. For example, you India or any other also. In which place such as facilities has been present, such as system or such as power has been given to all peoples, all citizens. They can choice, they can decide. That state, that place, you can say as a free, a fair by the all religions from force of the government. So students, if you try to understand what is secular state, and especially you can say your country is the as a sure 100% as a secular state. Your country is the sure as a secularism, because all peoples has been free. A fair they can do, a follow any particular religion. They can change also their religions. For example, you can say in your country, Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai, many other also you can say, some Buddhist, Jain also has been present in your country. They are following their religions which they like. Any type of force has been not present by the state government, by the central government. So students, this system is you can say as the secularism system of your state, which has been present especially to your country. So India is the mostly a secular state. And other, what was the main concept of secularism? So students, main concept is that which already I am telling to you many times. So any state cannot support any particular religions. Any group or community cannot support any particular religions. Any persons can support, but they cannot forcibly to dominate other peoples who are any other religions. In here you may understand, any religions never will be supported by the state government. State government cannot dominate to any religions. Any community, any society cannot dominate the persons of that religions which are as a minority. That means any majority religions also cannot dominate to minority religions. Every religions, persons, pupils has been free to follow their religions. Actually, most and main fact of secularism is only this, which has been given to our country after independence by the your constitution. In secularism, these things you may understand. So students, it was your second part of this lesson, and now in third part we will discuss some other point also of these chapters. Thank you very much students, to all of you.